I might small, but it's no biggie. Who's shot nigga, no potting. It's about time for me to breathe or to sleep. But look at the clock, it's 3 a.m. I'm on some shit that could take a Wizard of Oz. I'm on the road to yellow bricks, my yellow bitch gave me the call. Is it Corona, Ebola, or did it sniff your foul? Older boy, I'm colder, I'm frozen, but spit it hot like warm and global. Switch the words in the verse, yeah, I just reverse it. I'm bold and I times curse a performance, I ain't rehearsing. I'm a fine ass, light skinned hangman of your dreams. I'm hitting shades, even dice it on me. It's so obscene, I cause a scene when I get seen. But back then, B, I was a leader. I really want my grades, don't show it, bitch. What the fuck am I learning? The only thing I wanna do is make all my money recurring. I'm copping bricks, I'm talking gold, a young nigga, prince of the Persians. Wearing turban through Suburbans, the birdies next get to chirping. If I make it, then I'll take it. Can't say that I don't deserve it, bitch. I earned it. Jump through obstacle hoops like I joined a circus. Sound so hot that I'll be burning, turn to ashes and furnace. I'm in resurgence, freshly baked to smoke the eighth of the herbals. I'm high and low, I'm hot and cold, I'm bipolar, not the snow. I might just go unlightable, releasing stress, releasing my feed depressed with the info that they probably shouldn't know. Causing panic, they flooding stores, buying 20 paper rolls. Hide in your bunker, use a bummer. I guzzle gas like a Hummer. I did the math and the numbers. Statistically hottest youngster. Realistically, I'm robust. And mentally, I'm just tough. And my enemies turning nothing. My energy get combusted. I'm blasting, I'm off the acid, attacking a fucking dragon. I'm rapping my fucking madness. At last, I can stop the acting. My past was filled with sadness, so tragic. I wish I had it. I grabbed it, I turned to magic and cast spells of disaster. I bring a tremor, analyze the effect of the Richter scale. Quite high on a measure. I just met ya. Goodbye, hi Alexa. Can you play next to my guy? Ride the Jenga, buy a bodega, flip the switch detonator. My mind omega, mega, my mental data. The operator, here to save you from mother nature. My legislation, it's illegal to be a hater. Chasing pain, I'm small, but it's no biggie. Who's shot a nigga, no potting. It's about time for me to breathe or to sleep. But look at the clock, it's 3 a.m. I'm on some shit that could take a Wizard of Oz. I'm on the road to yellow bricks, my yellow bitch gave me the call. I'm small, but it's no biggie. Who's shot a nigga, no potting. It's about time for me to breathe or to sleep. But look at the clock, it's 3 a.m. I'm on some shit that could take a Wizard of Oz. I'm on the road to yellow bricks, my yellow bitch gave me the call. 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 My yellow